Step into the ultimate shower experience with the Niagara Observa brushed brass concealed shower valve, deluxe square slide rail kit, and ceiling head. Available here at Bella Bathrooms. Crafted with a stunning brushed brass finish, this shower set exudes elegance and style in your bathroom. Equipped with a deluxe square slide rail kit and a 1.5 meters length hose, you'll have flexibility and convenience at your fingertips. The square ceiling arm and slimline square shower head create a modern and luxurious look. Safety is our top priority. The brass body of this shower valve ensures durability and longevity. With the triple-concealed shower valve and thermostatic cartridge, you can enjoy precise control over water temperature, providing you with a comfortable and soothing shower every time. The automatic shut-off feature kicks in if there's a cold water supply failure, ensuring your safety by preventing scalding. Upgrade your bathroom to new heights of style, convenience, and safety with the Niagara Observa brushed brass concealed shower valve. It's time to make every shower feel like pure bliss. Discover this and the rest of the Niagara showering range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.